Most people leave this WhatsApp security setting turned off, and that's risky. One small change can make your account much safer instantly. In today's video, I'll show you the important WhatsApp setting you should enable right now. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Two-step verification is like a secret password only you know. Even if someone steals your SIM card, they can't get in. It's an extra layer of security for your WhatsApp. Besides verifying your number with a text message, WhatsApp will also ask for a 6-digit PIN that you create. So even if someone has your SIM without this PIN, they can't do anything. So how do you do this? Open up your WhatsApp. Then go to Settings. Tap on Account. Then tap on Two-Step Verification. Here you can create a PIN for extra security. Tap on Turn On. Enter a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. And then confirm your PIN again. Here you have an option to add an email in case you forget your PIN. You can either skip it or you can add an email here. Once you have entered your email, tap on Next. WhatsApp will send you a code to verify. Once you have received your email verification code, enter the 6-digit code here and your email address will be added to WhatsApp. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other 2 videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.